Today we are seeing the badi ki matra e, and the transition of this badi ki matra in the letters will be this way. So far we have learnt a ki matra and choti ki matra. Choti ki matra will be the standing line before the letter and the semicircle from the left to the right. So now badi ki matra, the letter will come first and the standing line will be the next, and from right to left you will put the semicircle. Okay, so badi ki matra words we will see in vowel fourth letter a, e, eat, eek, eid. Always understand the last letter in the word will not have an extension of sound. It will stop immediately. You cannot pronounce eater. You can read eater, but eat will be it and finish off. You cannot say eek. The last letter in any Hindi word will restrict its time limit, the pronunciation limit. Okay, either you can read, but you have to pronounce as Eid. That's it. Now the transition of this E into the letters. So when I put Ka and Badi ki matra, it becomes Ki and Ra. Ra ki akshar. So now Kheer. That's it. Now Cha Badi ki matra Chi Ra Cheer. Ta badi ki matra ra tir. Na badi ki matra ni ra neer. Ba and then da badi ki matra di badi. La da ki matra da ki akshar and badi ki matra ladi. Cha la ka akshar and then badi ki matra chali. Pa, a ki matra pa, na, badi ki matra pani. Da, badi ki matra di, again da, badi ki matra di, di. Da, a ki matra da, i ki matra di, di. Na, a ki matra na, i ki matra, badi ki matra ni. Pa, da, badi ki matra, padi. Cha, a ki matra, again cha, badi ki matra. So, cha, chi. La, a ki matra la, badi ki matra li, la li. Ka, a ki matra ka, again ka, badi ki matra ki, ka ki. Ka, badi ki matra ki, la, keel. When you pronounce, you have to say keel. You cannot say keela, keel. Curtail the sound of the last letter. Ja, badi ki matra ji, na, a ki matra na, ji na. This is the way you are supposed to read. I know pretty well that you will not be able to